yeah, like there is a way to build a business in this category with this offer, which is within my criteria.
Mhm. I see. You, also, I do understand you guys are bootstrapped, which was originally not the plan. And I also understand that basically for the first year, maybe longer, the whole everybody would call headquarters operations. Everything was done by you and your co-founder.
Yeah, so yeah, when we launched Fleet, we thought at first to raise fund. We thought like, yeah, raising fund is a classic way, like when you are a startup, everyone raise fund. Um, so we were not challenging the idea of raising fund or not. Um, so we start working on the idea. We had directly, yeah, quite a product market fit. We were quite kind of lucky. So directly we were making revenue. Since we had designed like good unit economic and good cash flow, we start receiving some good cash from the operation. So yeah, after a few weeks, we realized, oh, maybe we shouldn't be raising. No, like we see we can develop this as a profitable business. No, and maybe it doesn't make sense in this specific case to raise. So then we didn't raise.
You also had a very insightful post on LinkedIn just 2 weeks ago, where I'll link down here in the show notes.